Hey there, I'm Stephanie Bauer for Holly Scoop. Mila has done it again. It turns out a guy like Ashton Kutcher can't minimize her hotness factor, as every guy around still agrees she's the best. Mila Kunis has topped yet another hot chick list in the form of Reddit's 100 Hottest Women list. Mila is number 1 on the countdown, which has these rules. Each participating user had to post a comment with its own list of hottest women, numbered 1 through 10. How you rank them was important, as they are given different amounts of points based on which position you put them in. Also, you must have 10 women, no more, no less. So Mila is number 1 by a landslide, followed by Scarlett Johansson, Jennifer Lawrence, Olivia Wilde, Alison Brie, Kate Beckinsale, and Kate Upton. And 2 Emmas, Watson and then Stone, come in next, followed by Jessica Alba rounding out the top 10. So just to catch up, Mila can add this honor to her already title-holding positions of FHM's Sexiest Woman in the World, Esquire's Sexiest Woman Alive, and Detail Magazine's Most Effable Celebrity. For more entertainment news, stick with hollyscoop.com.